Miami University is alerting students today of 2 possible cases of coronavirus. The 2 students who traveled to China over winter break are being tested after one of them visited Student Health Services yesterday.
That's right. The students show some symptoms of a respiratory virus, and because of their travel history now, officials are just taking some precautions here. 9 on your sides. Marielle Carbone is live at the university right now with the latest. Marielle.
Yeah, well, actually, the men's basketball game here tonight that was supposed to be against Central Michigan University is canceled. The other team asking for that to be canceled because of the virus. But Miami University officials say that at this point, they're not canceling anything else because they've been preparing for this. And at this point, there are no confirmed cases of the virus. Word spreading fast across campus.
First time I saw it is my dad sent it to me over text, so I checked social media and everyone's blowing up about it, everyone's texting in group chats.
2 possible cases of the coronavirus at Miami University.
They're alert about it, they know about it, but we're not really sure how serious it is yet.
The university sending out this email and in a press conference, officials saying.
So we have no confirmed cases in Ohio. We have what we call in our lingo is persons under investigation.
The university says the 2 students traveled to China over the break, returning a few days ago. They showed mild symptoms of a respiratory illness and because of their travel history are being tested by the CDC for the coronavirus. Both are being isolated off campus.
It's not a quarantine, but they happen to live independently in a situation where they can stay at home. They're not sick. They don't need hospitalized.
The university hopes to have the results by the end of the week, but the health department says there's no need to panic and calls the virus low risk, saying right now the flu is more dangerous.
Many, many more people will die in our state from the flu. We had a young person die not too long ago.
Yeah, my parents are a little more worried than I am, but it is what it is.
Still, some students say they'll take the extra precautions.
Hand sanitizer, wash my hands, make sure I'm really staying clean.
And I did see some students walking around campus today wearing face masks. Health officials say that that's not necessary right now. They say you should be washing your hands, though, and take the same precautions that you would take to prevent getting the flu. Reporting live from Miami University, Marielle Carbone, 9 on your side.
All right, Marielle, thank you very much. Health officials say the disease is responsible for at least 100 deaths, all in China.
Now, there are still a lot of unknowns surrounding this disease, but there are some things that we do know. The symptoms are flu-like, fever, cough, chills, etc. It's also spread like the flu, person to person. Now, doctors are not clear how easily it spreads, however.
Yeah, they actually say that if you have any of these symptoms and have not been around people from Wuhan, China, you likely just have the normal flu. Important to note here, there is currently no vaccine either. Now, there are only 5 confirmed cases in the U.S. I'm going to show you a map here with the locations. Patients are currently in Chicago, Arizona, Washington, and California.
Coronavirus is actually a term for a group of viruses, and here is that map, by the way. The CDC says there are 7 total. The most notable is also known as SARS.
There have been some jokes around on social media. You may have seen them about the name of this particular virus, equating it to the beer brand Corona, but it's actually named after the crown seen around it under a microscope, and it's much like a ring around an eclipse. Of course, we will continue to cover this story for you as new developments come in. When we learn about the results of the test for the students in the Miami area, we're going to update you, of course, on air immediately and online at WCPO.com and on our mobile app.